Hello everyone. So today we will see what is polynomial. So polynomial is a term which has an expression, and in that expression the variable should have the power in whole number. So what that means let's take an example. Px is polynomial of x. So suppose our polynomial is 3x square plus 5x plus 2. So this is a polynomial. Here x is the variable which has its power in whole number. So here power of x is 2, here power of x is 1, here power of x is 0. Okay. Now let's see what is term. These are the multiple terms which are associated with this polynomial. So what is a term? Term is the individual expression between the operands. So 3x square is a term, 5x is a term, 2 is a term. These are the individual terms in this polynomial. Next, what is an expression? Expression is a polynomial. Expression is a polynomial, or expression is a term which has the combination of constants. This is a constant. Variable. This is a variable. Sorry, this is not a constant. This is a constant. So expression is the combination of variable, constant, operators, and the power or the coefficients. So this is an expression. Next is coefficient. Coefficient is any prefix attached to this variable is called coefficient. So either coefficient of x square is 3, coefficient of 5x is 5, coefficient of this term is 2. Next is variable. Variable is any operand whose value can vary. We don't know its value and it could be anything. So this is a variable here. So x is the variable. Suppose if I have a equation like x square plus y is equal to 3, then x and y are the variables in that expression. Okay. Constant, any term which does not have any associated variable with it is called a constant. Any whole number you can say. So it is a constant. The value 2 will remain same. The value of this term will not change. But the value of this term will change as the value of x will change. Okay. So this is the constant. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.